In this lesson, we're going to look at the string method Isdecimal. And this one's kind of counterintuitive because when you hear the name, you would think that they're talking about this is a decimal number. But in actuality, it's actually looking to see if it's a number from 0 to 9. And if you put a decimal point number in there, it'll see the decimal and it'll actually return false instead of true. Let me show you real quick. So if we have x equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Oh, wait, we got to make sure that those are actually a string. Got it. And then we'll say y equals x dot isdecimal brackets. And let's print that real quick. You see we got our true. And let me do what I was just talking about. Let's make it 0.0. Put a decimal in there. Now it's false. And that's also true if there's any other characters. Like you can have, letters in there. Once you do that, you're going to get false. And that's about all there is to it.